Welcome to the DBT Data Modeling Challenge, Social Media Edition, brought to you by Paradime, MotherDuck, and Hex. It's a 6-week hackathon for data professionals around the globe, and the objective is simple. Utilize real social media data to craft SQL queries, develop DBT models, and derive insights. All for a chance to win a $3,000 Amazon gift card. And second and third place get $2,000 and $1,000 Amazon gift cards too. So, how does the competition work? As a participant, you'll gain access to MotherDuck for data warehousing and cloud compute, Paradime for SQL and DBT development, Hex for data analysis and visualizations, and a GitHub repository, complete with detailed instructions and guidance on how to be successful in the challenge. Using these tools, participants will derive accurate, relevant, and engaging insights through user-generated social media data. And there are countless social media platforms, chat forums, and supplementary datasets across the internet that make the insights you can uncover virtually limitless. Here are a few examples of what you can uncover. How has the sentiment of COVID-19 changed over time? How has Donald Trump's popularity changed over time? Who were the top YouTube creators and why? Which ads were most popular during the Super Bowl? Or what are the most discussed topics on Hacker News? From there, participants have until September 9th to work asynchronously on this project, after which a panel of 5 judges will get together to decide the top 3 winners based on the following criteria. First, value of insights. Are the results relevant and interesting? Are they scroll stoppers? Second, complexity of insights. Do your insights require technical expertise? Are you creating relationships between data sets and providing in-depth analytical conclusions? Third, quality of material. Is your code of professional quality? Are your insights well designed? And is this something you feel comfortable sharing with your colleagues? If it's not good enough for them, it's not good enough for the judges. And lastly, integration of new data. How effectively have you integrated new, relevant data to enhance your project? And this one's super important as it has the potential to score you higher in all of the categories above. And if you're proficient in SQL and DBT development, you likely only need to spend 5 hours on this whole challenge for a chance to compete, but spend as much time as you want to compete for the prizes. So if you're ready to compete, head over to our landing page to register and learn more. Good luck, and we'll announce the winners on September 12th.